So what we have here is the S18, and what I'm thinking is we can put some sort of bump stop here, because we've got this lovely solid mount that we can have like a face mount just like the S20. And then on the back, maybe a handle up here or even down here. Have to think about that. What's great about this pad is it's very clean in the way that it joins to the frame up here. Tidies everything up, and especially at the back, it really cleans it up when that clips in. However, this whole top section here is quite useless. And what I was thinking is the back is nice, how we got the 3 screws to hold it, and then it bolts with the next section at the back. It's solid here, how it sits flush to the frame. There's no seating here, but what we can do is we can cut through here, cut this off, leave this bit here. There's one mounting there, so we'll cut, I think we'll cut just above this, so we keep this piece here, and then that becomes one piece, so we've got our foot lock in, and then all this part here goes, and we can put our custom bumper on with our custom master power pads. Let's see how this goes. So we've got our first cut done, which is looking pretty good, and now we're going to cut just here, and then the next cut is going to be on the top side of this bracket. I'll show you shortly. It is very difficult to saw and film, but this is the angle that we're cutting it on. I'll show you what it looks like after. So that's the 2 pieces cut off. I've just got to clean up this cut by cutting that off there, and this looks really good and clean, so I'm very happy with that. I'm going to trim that up, and then I'll show you what it looks like on the machine. So on the machine it looks like this, and because we've cut it, we can take off the top part, and then we have just the foot part. We've got 1 mounting screw here. We've got 3 mounting screws here. On the front side, we've got nice support here. It's grippy. The only issue is this part here has got a bit of flex in, and I'm sure we can make a small little block just to sit in there. So I'm going to screw this on and see what it looks like. We've got both sides of the power pad, lower pads on now. Very nice and snug with 1 screw there, very stiff and sturdy. Again, this part up here does have a fair bit of flex in it, but it's not to matter. We've got the screw hole here, so we can build a bracket that sits behind and is screwed in and will press up against the frame. Back of the unit's all snug and screwed with the 3 screw holes. And if we look at both sides of the machine, it's looking really good. I'm very pleased with how this looks. We just got to build the upper power pad, front bumper, and take it from there. That's part of stage 1 done.